Good day, everyone. My name is Dorothy Ancero from BSHM First Year, Section 17. So today, I'm going to discuss about the Philippine President from Ramon Magsaysay to Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and their
Ramon
main
Magsaysay,
accomplishment.
1953 to 1957, defeated the communist Hukbalahap insurgency and promoted social justice and good governance. Next, Carlos P. Garcia, 1957 to 1961, advocated the Filipino First policy to prioritize Filipino businesses and economy. Diosdado Macapagal, 1961 to 1965, initiated land reform program and moved the country's Independence Day to June 12. Ferdinand Marcos Sr., 1965 to 1986, built infrastructure and implemented the first Philippine Constitution amended under martial law. His role saw controversy and corruption. Corazon Aquino, 1986 to 1992, restored democracy after the Marcos dictatorship and promulgated a new democratic constitution in 1987. Fidel V. Ramos, 1992 to 1998, promoted economic growth, privatization, and peace agreement with rebel groups. Joseph Estrada, 1998 to 2001, focused on pro-poor programs but was impeached for corruption. Next, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, 2001 to 2010, boosted the economy and infrastructure but faced political scandals. Benigno Aquino III, 2010 to 2016, improved the economy and implemented the Universal Healthcare Law. Next, Rodrigo Duterte, 2006 to 2022, intensified the anti-drug campaign and improved infrastructure with the Build program. Next, Bongbong Marcos Jr., 2022 present, currently serving as president, focuses on economic growth and infrastructure development.